Marvelous Beauties, welcome back to my channel, the place to be for planning, budgeting, and traveling to live a marvelously beautiful life. In today's video, I'm going to make a few envelopes for my August savings challenge, and I'll see how much I can get out of this sheet of paper. And if I can get 2 envelopes out of this paper, then I'll make a second envelope for one of the other challenges, either the $2,000 savings challenge or the $3,000 savings challenge. But I'm not going to talk through this video. I'm just going to show you what to do. I have marked the paper with the measurements, so I'll go through the supplies with you. If you haven't watched my other video on making cash envelopes, please go and check that out, and I give a very detailed video about that. So I just want to go through this one quickly. So again, you want to make yourself a template that's 6.5 by 6.5. and you want to fold it in the middle at 3 1/4 inches. And what I did here was I just clipped it to the piece of paper that I'm going to cut from. And you, of course, would need scissors. This is double stick tape, but I don't know if I'm going to use it or not. And I always use the heavy duty shipping tape to kind of close them and to laminate over them. But I don't know if I'm going to laminate over this envelope either. So optional tools you'll need is a ruler. I couldn't find my ruler. All I could find was my tape measure, so whatever. All right, so you can sit back and relax and just watch me work, enjoy the music, and I will talk to you on the end. everyone, so our envelope is done, and if you notice, I put that extra little piece of green glittery paper on the inside. That's just being extra. That's just to make it sparkle, just to make it look pretty. I thought it looked good against this paper here with the jewels and the emeralds and so on and so forth. So that was just to make it sparkle. And then I also added this planner clip that I made with the magenta color clip and the rhinestone at the top. That's just to make it cute. So let me know what you think of the August Savings Challenge. So far we have $82 inside. Also, let me know what you think of this ring. If you've missed my other 2 rings, you need to go back and watch my Staples haul video and also watch my August Savings Challenge explanation video, and you can see the other 2 rings. Let me know what you think of all of my rings that I'm going to be showing you in these videos. So please remember, you are important. Stay safe out there. Stay healthy. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to this channel, share this video with someone you know, someone you care about, someone who may be interested in a savings challenge, someone who may be interested in making a quick cash envelope. Also, please join me on the August savings challenge. As you can see here, it's easy to do. You save $1 for each day of the month. So on the first day, which would be today, you would save $1, or you could jumpstart yours like I did, and then you go through the month. And I did get these printouts from hasslefreesavings.com. So you can go and check out that website and subscribe to that blog, and you can get the printouts as well. Thank you for tuning into this video, and I'll see you in the next one.